Hello, this is Andy, hobo traveler in between Mayali, Kenya and Marsabit. We've been having trucks get stuck in the mud here. It's quite a big thing. Oops, that one's going sideways. That's my truck, I think. Yeah, that's my truck. I just realized it was my truck. That's not a good idea. There's kind of all look the same. The mud's only down about maybe a foot, so he's like plowing away here. Hopefully he can stay close enough to the road to do it. I'll stop over here. There's a lot of camels over here as we're